Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. First of all, Happy New Year guys and welcome to 2019. I hope you all really enjoyed your 31st night. I had a great time with my family. So this new year is going to be super busy for me. I've planned a lot of content for you guys. I'll be posting a lot of videos and different style of videos. I'll keep you updated on that soon. Just keep watching my videos. So coming back to the topic, I've got something very special to show you all. It's a backpack. But not just any other ordinary backpack. I've got something special made specially for college students. This is Seute's newest backpack called the Engipack. It's made for college students and packs some really awesome features. It also looks really stylish in this color guys. So in this video we'll be unboxing it, I'll show you all of its features and share my experience and review on this product. So let's get started with the video. So the new Engipack backpack from Seute came in this sort of packaging. It's a transparent card with the Seute logo on it and some info regarding their website. Let me just remove the seal and take the bag out of this card. There we go. So here is our brand new backpack. Holy moly, it looks really nice. I love the color scheme on it. This bag comes in two colors, grey and blue. I've got the blue color variant. The design is good, it looks stylish and also very attractive. You've got the Seute logo here in white color and the build quality is also top notch. The fabric used here feels of very high quality. And by the way, this bag is made of a special water repellent fabric. So this Engi backpack is also splash proof. Also guys, if you can observe carefully, there's a honeycomb-like texture on the fabric. And over here it says built for engineers. It's made specially for college students, but I think it's good for general public also, cause it can accommodate a lot of items in it. It's a 30-liter capacity backpack. One of the best feature about it is, it's got an external USB port here with a built-in charging cable on the inside, so you can easily connect devices like your phone to it and charge them on the go. I'll give you a demo on that later in this video. The Engipack has three main compartments, one on the front over here. This is the main compartment at the middle and another side section specially designed for laptops. And at the top you've got this tough handle so you can easily carry it anywhere. Let me also show you how it looks from the backside. This backpack has an airflow design on the backside to offer maximum comfort. The straps look nice and cushiony, they're well padded and also come with an adjustable chest strap. Both the length and the position of the straps is adjustable, so it offers you good stability, grip and extra support while wearing. And on the inside also, it's got these heavy breathable pads with 20mm thick high quality cushioning to offer maximum comfort. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. And along with the bag, you get a free rain cover for it. The rain cover comes in this sort of packaging. It's a compact and portable pouch, so you can just throw it in the bag and carry it wherever you go. Let me just take it out and show you. So with this rain cover, the bag provides double layer rain protection, so you can wear this bag in any kind of weather. I'll fix it on the bag and show you later in the video. First, let me show you all the different compartments and give you an inside view of it. So as I've told you previously, the Seute's Engipack has three main compartments on it. The front compartment is called the organizer pocket. It's a bit compact and has a stylish angular zip. On opening it, we've got ample amount of space for storing gadgets like power banks, earphones, smartphones and more. You have a built-in USB cable here connected to the external USB port. The interior of the bag looks nice, the material used is good, and I love this red and grey color scheme they've used. Gives a decent look to the bag. So over here you've got many sections and tiny pockets for storing gadgets and even a dedicated key holder. You can put your bike keys or home keys, important stuff like that, instead of throwing inside and later searching for it. Quite handy, you know. So that was about the organizer section. Now going next, we have the main compartment here at the middle. Let me open it and show you. This section has a half zip design. That means only half of the bag opens up. I highly prefer these style of bags only because it's safe and there are less chances that your items are gonna fall out of the bag. There's plenty of space here so you can accommodate a lot of stuff in this section. And coming to the final compartment, it's a big side pocket for carrying laptops or any other files or records. This section is heavily padded on the inside to give full protection to your laptop while carrying. You can easily carry 15.6-inch laptops without any sweat. Now let me show you the real world usage of this bag. I've put a lot of items in the Engipack in different compartments. I'll open up the zips one by one and show you the different kind of things you can place in it. So first let me tell you about the side pockets. On the left you've got a netted elastic pocket to place your water bottles. You can easily place up to 1 liter water bottles in it just like I did in the video. And on the other side you've got a dedicated pocket to hold drawing sheet containers. Now that is very useful for engineers. But not only that, you can even use it to carry some other stuff like mini tripods or gorilla pods. Super useful for photographers. And also to give extra support while holding, there's even a strap with a buckle. So those were the two utility pockets on it. Now let me open up all of its compartments and show you the different stuff I stored in it. In the front organizer section, you can carry devices like power banks, earphones, and even smartphones. It's got 3 mini pockets and a zip section, so you can even place stationary items like pens, tools, and more. Coming to the main compartment, I've placed a lot of stuff here which include clothes, electronic gadgets, some photography accessories, and other necessary stuff. So as you can see, I could easily fit in my hoodie. There goes my Mi Pad 4, it's an 8-inch tab. I also carry some books in my bag, an emergency tactical flashlight, very useful for adventure trips or even while camping. I actually made a special video on that. It's the world's brightest tactical flashlight. You can check out the video in the card above. Going next, we've got the Seute's rain cover for the bag. It easily fits in anywhere. Some more stationery stuff and my action camera toolkit. I take that with me everywhere I go. So these are all the items I could fit in. I was pretty impressed by the bag's storage capabilities. Now coming to the final compartment at the back, this side pocket allows you to easily carry any laptop or even some files and records. I've placed my 15.6-inch Asus TUF gaming laptop in it without any issues, and even after placing it, there was still ample amount of space to fit some more small items in that section. Now let me tell you about that USB port. The Engipack comes with an external USB port and a built-in USB cable, which is accessible from this front zip. You just need to connect a power bank to the built-in cable, leave it inside, and connect a USB cable to the external port to charge any device conveniently. This is a super useful feature which you can use to charge your phone on the go while traveling. Let's talk about the comfort and the looks. The backpack has good quality straps that are not only tough but are also comfortable while wearing. It's got airflow design with breathable pads and heavy cushioning on the back to offer maximum comfort while wearing. I faced no issues in this segment, was very satisfied with the comfort. Talking about the looks, the Engipack is a stylish looking bag with an attractive two-tone design. I love the color scheme on it. Plus there's also an adjustable chest strap here to offer better stability and extra grip while wearing. I've told you at the beginning that it also comes with a free rain cover, right? Well, here it is. I've already attached it to my bag and this is how it looks like. The quality of the rain cover is nice, it's elastic and covers the entire bag from the front. One more good thing is the cover also comes with a buckle over here. So once you attach it, there's no chance it's gonna come off the bag. You can happily attach the rain cover on your bag like this and go in any weather without the need to worry. A huge thumbs up for that. And also guys, to test its waterproof capabilities, I've also poured water directly on top of it, and as you can see, nothing has happened to it. It's fully water resistant. So that was my review on Seute's brand new backpack. The Engipack is a great all-rounder tech bag for everyone. It looks really stylish, love the design, has 30-liter storage capacity with 3 different compartments, it's super comfortable and also offers an external USB charging port. But the only thing I felt it was missing was some hidden zips and compartments on the shoulder strap and the backside. I use them very much on my other Seute bags and miss them on this one. Rest everything else was awesome. The Engipack costs around 2,250 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.